new
Japanese.
yeah, Japanese muskmelon.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride.
So maulan ngayon guys dahil merong bagyong Paolo. Kaya ingat kayo lagi dyan sa Ilocos, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Baler, Aurora. Yung mga tao dyan, mga farmers dyan, ingat kayo. So palabas na tayo ng hotel. Nag-stay kami dito dahil yun nga yung sabi ko kanina, merong educational convention dito sa SMX. Tapos yung AgriLink nandun sa World Trade Center, which is magkalapit lang, 15 minutes drive lang. So bago ako umuwi, dadaan ako dun. So yan, so maulan ngayon guys, ikot lang tayo. Alright, let's go. First time natin pumunta sa AgriLink, kaya excited na ako. So meron akong dala mga t-shirt. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng AgriLink. Nandito yung kaibigan natin, si Sir Jeff.
Hello, I started farming from Zamboanga.
From Zamboanga.
My father's greatest.
So meron silang mga display dito.
Yes. Sabi ng papa ko, maghihirap ka. Bata from Zamboanga, Kapilayan, lettuce chips. Mga lettuce chips to na dahil nag-oversupply ako doon sa Zamboanga, ginawa namin lettuce chips. Ngayon, available na nationwide through our resellers and distributors. So thank you dyan kung pwede kayong, kung gusto nyo order, mag-message po kayo sa Kapilayan lettuce chips na Facebook page. Marami pa rin product dito na galing sa iba't ibang regions. Yan.
Young Farmers Challenge program. 30 degrees.
So nandito tayo sa labas. First time natin pumasok, ikot-ikot. So ikot-ikot lang ako. So mga kaibigan na tayo.
Totally eliminating
Balik lang ako sir.
expectation by utilizing farming, packet farming.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now
Hi guys, I am here
With Rijkswaan.
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 Yeah.
Look at all our beautiful produce. So Rijkswaan, we are a seed breeding company from the Netherlands.
Yeah.
One of the major players in that field. More than 100 years in existence already. And what we do is provide the highest quality seeds. Most of our seeds are for greenhouse cultivation. And one of the new things that we bring to the Philippines at the moment is this new
Japanese.
yeah, Japanese muskmelon. So high in sweetness, nice netting, good shelf life. So this is very much appreciated, especially by the hotels, restaurants, so the premium market. The other nice one is our Palermo, for example, the very sweet bell pepper. We do our aubergines, which is basically the European version of eggplant, talong, so in a nice different color setting. Then we do our Japanese cucumbers. We call this snack cucumber, bite-sized. And then of course, a lot of letters. And most probably your viewers are very familiar with Almighty.
Yeah,
which
Almighty.
we call it Almighty.
Alright.
So very good to have you here, man.
Yeah,
And to all your fans
Please invite them.
and subscribers, please let us know if you need any good seats. You can reach us through Julius. We have several resellers. You can always reach out Rijkswaan through also our Facebook. And we're here to support the local growers in order to get the best possible produce for all the local.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tark. Thank you, Tark of Rijkswaan. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, fantastic.
The last time was during pandemic in
Yeah.
Bukit Amara.
Yes,
You have lecture there about variety of seeds.
it's a long time ago, man. So your greenhouse, where?
I have greenhouse, a small greenhouse in Antipolo,
Yeah,
and then I have in Palaya, Tanay Rizal,
yeah.
and then the rest maybe in Batangas and Laguna.
Are you
So-
still doing consulting stuff, or?
Yeah, consulting. I'm quite busy. Good.
Relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Tama ka, sir. Ikaw, mag-welcome ka na, sir. Welcome to Enzo Sudden.
Okay. Yeah, welcome to Enzo Sudden booth. Dito sa Unveiling Day 2, dito sa World Trade Center.
Nakilala ka, sir.
I'm Nathan. Actually, yeah, collaboration ito ng Nutri Hydro and ng Enzo Sudden.
I look out across the water. I smell the salt and feel the breeze. But in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter
Pakilala ka sir, tapos ano, tapos mo. I-edit ko lang ako.
Okay, I have to. You're from France, right? Yes. You were the one that I called. Yes, a month ago.
Sige lang sir, explain mo lang sir. Meron naman ako kanina eh.
Actually, I talked people from France looking for recorder as well.
Pakilala ka lang, explain mo yung technology.
Hello po, magandang araw po. Ako po si Revy, ang owner po ng Patandang Integrated Farm. Meron pa kaming system po para sa mga grower po ng greenhouse. Meron po kaming growth system po na nag-automate po ng irrigation at ventilation po. Na meron din mga sensors para sa mga real-time conditions. So, ito po yung app namin na nag-ooperate po doon sa aming manual. Meron po siya na automatic at manual mode. So, pwede nyo po siya ma-operate through your phone. Directed po sa aming app. So, ito po. Ayan po. That's the manual. And this will serve as the pump.
Okay.
And pwede naman po siya na ma-operate automatic. This is a pre-configured system that we set. Now, every hour, yung system, yung irrigation niya is mag-on 5 minutes every hour. And then automatic po yung ventilation niya na mag-on kapag tumaas po yung degree Celsius sa loob ng greenhouse po na, let's say for example 45 degrees, automatic na po siya mag-on at automatic din po siya mag-off even without the human intervention. Ito po ang kagandahan po ng aming growth system. Pinasimple, mura at accessible po para sa lahat.
Ano yung mabibili ko?
Hello po, sa mga bibili po, pwede nyo po kami makontak sa aming contact number 0905-2311-766 at pwede nyo rin kami makontak through Facebook po sa Panudlak Farm, yung Facebook page po namin, and then see you po and avail na po.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
So nakadalaw na tayo sa AgriLink. First time natin dumalaw doon. What a great experience. Marami tayong na-meet ng mga friends dati. So mga iba hindi na natin na-picturean. Like si Sir Mel, yan, sa TV5. Meron din yung si Kuya J, Tito J, yan. First time na-meet. Si Kian, Organic Kian sa Cotabato. And then many more. Maraming salamat. At next year kita-kita ulit tayo. Sana makapunta ulit ako sa AgriLink next year 2026. Right, so ito ang buong nangyayari. Salamat.